There's an invisible thief that affects 1 in 7 adults worldwide. That's nearly 850 million people. It's a thief that steals your energy, your freedom, and your future. But the scariest part? Most people don't even know it's in their house until it's already taken everything. I'm talking about chronic kidney disease. We all have these two small bean-shaped organs working silently 24/7, filtering our blood, removing waste, and keeping us alive. We ignore them until they stop working. And when they do, the alternative is a word that strikes fear into the hearts of families everywhere: dialysis. Picture this: your retirement plan, the one where you travel the world, it's replaced by a schedule of 3 to 4 sessions a week, 4 hours at a time, tethered to a machine. That family vacation you've been dreaming of, it becomes a logistical nightmare. Your days are no longer your own. They belong to the clinic. The financial cost is staggering, often tens of thousands of dollars a year. But the cost to your quality of life? That's immeasurable. Now, what if I told you that for the price of a few lemons, a knob of ginger, and some fresh apples, you could build a powerful, daily defense system for your kidneys? What if the key to avoiding that sterile clinic room was found in a warm, comforting mug or a refreshing, vibrant glass you can make in your own kitchen in under 5 minutes? Today, we're not talking about expensive, exotic superfoods or miracle cures. We're talking about simple, delicious, and scientifically backed drinks, each made with just 3 common ingredients that can help protect your kidneys, keep them healthy for the long haul, and empower you to take control of your health, starting right now. Forget the fear. It's time for hope, and it starts with what's in your glass. Stick with me, because these 6 recipes could literally change the course of your life. All right, let's get one thing straight. Your kidneys are incredibly resilient, but they don't need a violent, week-long detox or some mystery powder you bought online. That's like trying to fix a Swiss watch with a hammer. What your kidneys need is gentle, consistent support. Think of it like this. You don't wait for your car's engine to seize up before you change the oil. You do it regularly to keep it running smoothly. These drinks are your daily oil change. They provide hydration, fight inflammation, manage blood pressure, and help prevent the kind of damage that leads to disease. Our philosophy here is simple. Simple, tasty, consistent support beats expensive, extreme detoxes every single time. So, grab a notepad because we're heading into the kitchen. Drink number 1, the Kidney Guardian Elixir. This is the classic, the foundation, the drink you can start making tomorrow morning. It's lemon, ginger, and honey water. So what makes this simple combination so powerful? It comes down to its 3 incredible ingredients. First, we have the lemon. Lemons are not just for flavor. They are a citrate powerhouse. Citrate is a natural inhibitor of kidney stones. Think of it like a bouncer in your kidneys that stops calcium from binding with oxalate, the 2 main culprits in the most common type of kidney stones. A study in the Journal of Urology found that regular lemonade therapy was effective in preventing stone recurrence. We're taking that principle and making it even better. Next, we have ginger. Ginger contains a powerful compound called gingerol, and this is where the magic happens. Gingerol is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of so many diseases, including kidney damage. Gingerol acts like a microscopic firefighter, putting out the small fires of inflammation before they can spread and cause serious harm to your delicate kidney filters. Finally, to bring it all together, we have raw honey. We're not talking about the stuff in the plastic bear. Real, raw honey is packed with antioxidants, like phenols and flavonoids. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, which is basically cellular rust. Plus, it's a natural energy source that makes the drink delicious, ensuring you'll actually want to drink it every day. Making it is incredibly simple. You'll start by taking a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. You can peel it or just scrub it well, then grate it finely. Next, squeeze the juice of half a large fresh lemon. Now boil a cup of water, about 8 ounces, and pour it into your favorite mug. Add the grated ginger and lemon juice to the hot water and just let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once it is cooled down just a bit so you don't destroy the beneficial enzymes in the honey, stir in 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey until it dissolves. For a quick shopping tip, look for firm, smooth-skinned ginger. For lemons, choose ones that are heavy for their size. They're always juicier. And a quick but important safety note, ginger can have a mild blood-thinning effect, so if you're on medications like warfarin, have a chat with your doctor first. Drink number 2, the blood pressure soother. From that warm and zesty start, let's move to something cool and refreshing. We call this the blood pressure soother, and it's made with cucumber, mint, and lime. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease, so this drink is all about gentle management. The star of this drink is the cucumber. Cucumbers are about 95% water, making them incredible for hydration, which is fundamental for kidney health. They also provide silica, which is great for connective tissues. Importantly for some, they are naturally low in potassium, making this a friendly choice for many people already managing kidney concerns. Then we add fresh mint. Beyond its incredible aroma, mint is packed with antioxidants, particularly rosmarinic acid. It also has a wonderfully calming effect on the digestive system, which is closely linked to overall inflammation and body health. And to give it a zesty kick, we have lime. Just like its cousin the lemon, lime is rich in citrate, helping to prevent kidney stones. It also adds a bright, clean flavor that makes this drink feel like a trip to the spa. Here's how you can make this refreshing drink. Thinly slice about 1/3 of a large cucumber and 1/4 of a lime. Take a handful of fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 12, and gently clap them between your hands to release their oils. Don't shred them, just bruise them slightly. Add the cucumber, lime, and mint to a large pitcher of cool filtered water. Let it infuse in the refrigerator for at least an hour, but for the best flavor, let it sit for 2 to 4 hours. You can sip on this all day long. When you're shopping, choose firm, dark green cucumbers. For mint, look for bright green, perky leaves, not wilted ones. This drink is generally very safe, but it's pure hydration and natural goodness. Drink number 3, the golden anti-inflammatory. All right, for our third drink, we're bringing in one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory spices on the planet. This is the golden anti-inflammatory, and it's a creamy, comforting blend of turmeric, black pepper, and unsweetened almond milk. The undisputed hero here is turmeric. The active compound, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories ever. Research published in journals like the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows curcumin can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. It's like a bodyguard for your kidney cells. However, curcumin has a hard time getting absorbed by our bodies on its own. That's where our second ingredient, black pepper, comes in. It contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to increase the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. They are a true power couple. Our third ingredient is unsweetened almond milk, which serves as a creamy, kidney-friendly base. The healthy fats in the milk can also help with the absorption of fat-soluble curcumin, and it makes the drink feel like a decadent, soothing treat. To prepare this golden milk, gently warm 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Be careful not to boil it. Whisk in half a teaspoon of ground turmeric and just a tiny pinch of finely ground black pepper. Keep whisking until it's smooth and warmed through, which should only take a couple of minutes. You can enjoy this warm, preferably in the evening, as a calming ritual before bed. When buying turmeric, look for a vibrant, deep orange powder, preferably organic. For the almond milk, always check the label to make sure it's unsweetened to avoid hidden sugars. A quick safety note: turmeric, like ginger, can have blood-thinning properties, so please consult your doctor if you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication, as it can also affect blood sugar. Drink number 4, the blood sugar balancer. Our fourth drink targets another major risk factor for kidney disease: high blood sugar. This is the blood sugar balancer, a simple yet effective infusion of apple, cinnamon, and water. First, let's talk about cinnamon. This isn't just a holiday spice. Multiple studies, including many summarized in Diabetes Care, have shown that cinnamon can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. By helping to manage blood sugar, you reduce the strain on your kidney's delicate filtering system. Next, we have the humble apple. Apples contain a type of soluble fiber called pectin, which helps slow down sugar absorption. They're also a great source of an antioxidant called quercetin, which has been studied for its protective effects against kidney damage. We're leaving the skin on for maximum benefits. And the base, of course, is pure water, providing essential hydration to help your kidneys flush out toxins effectively. This is more of an infusion than a blended drink. Just thinly slice half an apple. You can use any kind you like, but crisp varieties like Honey Crisp or Granny Smith work wonderfully. Place the apple slices and 1 cinnamon stick into a large glass or bottle. Fill it with cool, filtered water and let it sit for at least 2 hours in the fridge. The longer it sits, the more pronounced the flavor becomes. It's a fantastic, naturally sweet-tasting water that you can drink throughout the day. When shopping, choose organic apples, since you'll be using the skin. For cinnamon, look for Ceylon cinnamon if you can find it, as it's considered superior and has lower levels of coumarin than the more common cassia variety. This is a very safe and gentle drink for daily consumption. Drink number 5, the green flushing tonic. Now for a vibrant green drink designed to gently support your body's natural flushing processes. This is the green flushing tonic, a blend of parsley, celery, and cucumber. Our first ingredient is parsley. Don't mistake it for a simple garnish. Parsley is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body produce more urine, allowing your kidneys to flush out waste and excess fluid more efficiently. It's also packed with vitamins A, C, and K. Then we have celery. Celery is also known for its diuretic properties and is rich in antioxidants. It contains compounds called phthalides, which research suggests can help relax blood vessel walls, supporting healthy blood pressure. Another win for your kidneys. And our base is once again the hydrating hero, cucumber. It provides the liquid volume for the blend while keeping the flavor cool, crisp, and refreshing. To make this tonic, you'll need a blender. Take a large handful of fresh parsley, about 1 cup, chop up 2 stalks of celery and half a large cucumber. Add all of this to your blender with 1 full cup of cold water. Blend until it's completely smooth. You can drink it as is with the fiber or strain it through a fine mesh sieve for a smoother juice. It's best enjoyed fresh in the morning to kickstart your day. A quick shopping tip: look for flat-leafed parsley, as it tends to have a more robust flavor than the curly variety. For celery, choose firm, tightly packed stalks. And a safety note is important here. Because parsley is a potent diuretic and high in vitamin K, if you have existing kidney disease or are on blood thinners, you absolutely must speak with your doctor before adding this to your routine. Drink number 6, the Berry Antioxidant Shield. Last but certainly not least, we have a delicious drink that feels like a treat but is working hard to protect you. This is the Berry Antioxidant Shield. made with mixed berries, spinach, and a splash of water. The stars of this show are the mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These berries are loaded with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their beautiful red and blue colors. These compounds are like microscopic bodyguards, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage kidney cells. Berries are also famously low on the glycemic index, so they won't spike your blood sugar. Next, we're sneaking in a small handful of baby spinach. Don't worry, you won't taste it. Spinach adds a dose of vitamins and minerals. We use just a small amount to get the benefits without overloading on oxalates, which can be a concern for stone formers in large quantities. Finally, we use a little bit of water to blend it all into a smooth, drinkable consistency. Making this is a breeze. In a blender, combine 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. Using frozen, mix it thick and cold like a smoothie, with a small handful of fresh baby spinach. Add about half a cup of water and blend until smooth. If it's too thick, just add a little more water until you get the consistency you like. For shopping, frozen berries are a fantastic and affordable option year-round. They're picked at peak ripeness and frozen, locking in the nutrients. A final safety note is, while spinach is incredibly healthy, if you have a history of oxalate kidney stones, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about appropriate portion sizes for you. Okay, so we have 6 incredible, simple drinks. But the best recipe in the world is useless if you don't make it. So how do you integrate this into your life? The secret is preparation. You can make a ginger lemon concentrate by juicing a lot of lemons and ginger and freezing it in ice cube trays. Then, just pop a cube into hot water each morning. For the infused waters, make a big pitcher at night, and it will be ready for you to drink all the next day. Think of it as a ritual. Maybe the warm, golden milk becomes your way of winding down at night, replacing TV time. Maybe the green flushing tonic is your 5-minute morning meditation. Enjoy the process, the aromas, the fresh taste. This isn't medicine, it's self-care. It's an act of love for your future self. Let's go back to where we started, the dialysis clinic. The immense cost, the stolen time, the suffering. Now look at a lemon, a cinnamon stick, a handful of berries. The cost is pennies in comparison. The time it takes is minutes. The result isn't a dramatic overnight cure. It's quiet, consistent support that builds a wall of protection around your kidneys, day after day. This is your choice. The path of prevention is paved with these small, simple, daily decisions. You have the power to protect your health, to preserve your freedom, and to live the life you've planned. If you found this information valuable, please tap the like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who need to hear this message. And for more health tips that empower you, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which one of these drinks you're going to try first. And check the description for a link to our video on the early silent symptoms of kidney disease that everyone should know. Thank you for watching, be well, and take care of those amazing kidneys.